Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am installing this beautiful wig and I'm so obsessed with it. This is from West Kiss Hair and they sent me their HD. You'll see in the video, I thought it was an HD lace wig, but it's not. It's a transparent lace wig and it was really high quality that it almost looked like an HD lace wig, but it's not. It still works though, and it looks like an HD lace wig. I love how it looks. It just melted right into my skin. Yeah, this is a 13x6 waterway wig, I believe, but I'll have everything in the description below and any codes that you guys could use. I love it. It's so cute and I wanted this like natural type of look, so I did my edges like how I would do my own hair and try to make it more natural than usual. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I did this install and these edges and everything, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've already went ahead and did the bald cap method. All I did is just like sleek my hair into like 2 or 4, no, I did 3 braids. So I just put like 3 braids and kind of crisscross them back and forth just so that they can lay flat. So here is the box. It's really cute. I love the colors and stuff. I love pink and I found it kind of funny. It says love yourself, start first from West Kiss Hair. And here is the hair. It is right here. I love the texture. So here is like, you can see the texture well right here and it is beautiful. I love it and it's actually really soft. I've had a similar texture, I think it was Yolissa hair, and it was nice and everything, but the lace was a little too thick. Like I noticed it after I wore it and stuff, and the hair was not as soft as this. I would say this is way softer. One thing I noticed though is they told me that this would be an HD lace wig and it's not HD at all, and you guys could tell just by like the white look of it. HD lace is usually just super like translucent and you can't even see it, like it's clear pretty much, but this is, I would say this is transparent lace, and I know it is, like I work with different types of lace, so I know that this is transparent. So it's not bad though. It's really thin and it's light in color, so it would work on like any kind of skin tone, but it's not HD lace. And another thing is when you bleach the knots, it just, you kind of have to bleach them like over and over again. Like in the front, the knots are really tiny and stuff, so it bleached well, but then as you go deep into the wig, it's kind of like a bit darker and bigger knots, but that's usually with like most wigs. But I've already went ahead and bleached the knots, and this is a 13x6 wig. You can see it goes in deep, but not the sides, just so that you guys know what it looks like. And this is it. So since it is transparent lace and it's pretty light, I do have to go in with my foundation and kind of darken it up, so that's what I'm going to do right now. So you kind of want to get something a bit darker, and I'm getting this shade right here. I believe it's it's Toast. I would have gone in with just powder, but the lace is a little like really like light, so I know I need more, and that's why I'm using my foundation. So I'm just putting it on the brush and pressing it in. Okay, so here it is. And that looks good to me. Now let's try it on and glue it. I was really excited to do like another curly wig. It's been a while, well it feels like a while to me, since my last curly wig install. Okay, so you guys can see like the lace is really light, and I already went ahead and put foundation, but I might have to go in with my powder as well. I need to try out lace tint. I've never tried it out, but it's looking like I should probably try it out soon. I'm just gonna go like this and... Okay, now I'm gonna get a black pencil like I always do and mark where the hairline is gonna start and everything. Looks pretty good to me. Like this is the farthest down it will come. Okay, perfect. I have a lot of space to work with, and I'm just gonna clean it up. I ran out of alcohol, so I'm using my little hand sanitizer. Shout out to Alexa for giving me this. I normally use hand sanitizer if I don't have any alcohol, but like I ran out of like my regular hand sanitizer. So Bath and Body Works it is. But if you're gonna keep it on for a while, I do recommend that you clean this, like the area with alcohol. And now for glue, I'm gonna be using the Bold Holds Active. I like this glue. I have no problems with it. I just always switch up my glues and use different things, but for today's video, we're gonna use this one. Just put little dots all over where you're gonna glue it and lay it flat until it's clear. And once it's clear, you can put on as many layers as you would like. I think I'm gonna do about 2.5-ish for today. But you guys can do as many as you like, and the more layers that you put, the longer or the stronger the adhesive will be. It's kind of stuck. I don't want this to pop on me. Like I've had that happen before and it's not a great experience. It happened with like a client too. But luckily she was my friend, so it's all good. Dang it, I wish I had a needle. How are we gonna do this? So the cap was giving me issues, so I'm just gonna take it off and do it like this. It'll still get the job done. I just really don't want to risk it exploding everywhere. Do not have time for that. So I applied like 2.5 layers, and it is time to stick it on. And it helps to like press it in with the comb as you go. The lace is really stretchy. Like you can move it and make it fit how you want. So it's pretty good. I love when it just fits perfectly and have no mess. I'm gonna cut this off because it's annoying me. I'm gonna take like my edges out, like where my edges are gonna be. I think that's what I'm gonna use for my edges, and then I'm just taking an elastic band and wrapping where I glued, just so that we can make sure it's fully secure. I wish I had extra hands to hold this, but you know what, we're gonna do this. Oh, look at my lips. I know I look crazy, okay, but I'm doing something. I think it makes it harder because I can't really see. Oh my gosh. I've had a long day, and I guess I'm just tired. Okay, we got it. Finally. Alright, now we're just gonna let this do its thing for like a couple minutes, and then I'll be right back for the edges. Alright, I think it should be good to go. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and I'm gonna use this little eyebrow razor.
Purchase your tracks today.
I wish I let the knots bleach a bit more, even though I bleached it twice actually, so I'm not sure what's going on. This lace matches my skin perfectly. We love that. I honestly just use the eyebrow razor like for the front part, and then for the sides I just cut it with scissors.
Purchase your tracks today.
I think I'm okay with where everything is. There is a bit of lifting like in the areas that I didn't glue it all the way down properly, but I just wanted to make sure I like where it is first. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna cut it shorter. I feel like it's a bit too close down. I'm always so bad at these, like at telling where to place it when it's on myself. It's a bit close. I feel like it's a little close. So I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take some glue and put it in the areas that are not glued down pretty much. Alright, this is giving me very much scalp. Like I could leave it like this and we're good to go. I love it. I really do like it, but I want my edges and I'm just gonna wait for this side to dry, but I'm just gonna play around with my edges and see what I want to do, and you guys can pretty much watch. And now taking some mousse, I'm gonna shape them up and then wrap it with a silk scarf. Okay, I really don't like this foam wrap. I just got a new one and it's so watery. I'm just gonna try and shape it, but I'll use something else. I have an edge control, so I'll probably end up using that because this is so watery. It's not even doing anything. Okay, I don't even think this is fixable. Okay, I'm gonna use my edge control because this is a hot mess right now. But since I've already like put some foam on there, maybe it'll help. I'm using the True Edge controller. I've been using it and I like it. It does get hard though. Okay, I think this is the best that I'll get with this little situation, but I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it. We're gonna let that do its thing, and in the meantime I'm gonna put some mousse in this and kind of define the curls, and I'll be using the same mousse since it has a lot of like, I guess, water in it. I won't need to spray this down with any water. Okay, so put some mousse in and it's looking cute. This should be good by now. I can't believe I used to always put like got to be on my edges, and I never really liked how like the look that it gave. And I've never actually tried using this edge control with the mousse, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, it's looking good. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut. I'm gonna cut the baby hairs. Oh, they're not crunchy or anything. I guess it's a success. Alright, now I'm just gonna cut them short. I never realized how much of a process this is until I start filming. I've been liking the swooped into my hair, like front baby hair look. Like that. Love it. And I also think it's really important to have like a separation between the baby hairs and the actual hair, because that's what normal hair actually has. Like you don't want to just get baby hairs out of like without having that little line to look like scalp. I think it makes a difference. Okay. Ooh, I see some slight flaking, but it's not bad.
Purchase your tracks today.
be the fluffy edges that I'm used to, but it still works. At least it's not like white and flaky. Okay, so I think this is how the baby hairs are gonna look, and I really like it. I feel like this one looks way more natural than my last curly hair install, and I'm loving it. The lace just looks so good. You guys can see. So this looks like one of my most natural like wig installs. That's what it feels like. So I'm just gonna take some wax now, and since I want it to be like that messy kind of look, I'm just gonna put some wax on the perimeter and get my hot comb and just brush it back. I think I am all the way done. I love how this looks. It's so cute and very natural. I love everything about it. I feel like this is really like super natural looking. Like I love how I did my edges. I guess the shorter it is, the more natural it looks, because these are a bit more shorter than how I normally do them, but I haven't done like these baby hairs in a while. I've just been doing like the one swoop, but I wanted to do it how I would normally do my own hair. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. The hair looks so good. Let me show you standing. So here it is. You guys can see it goes all the way to there. The texture is really cute, and I don't know if you guys can tell how soft it is, but it's really soft. It's not giving me that like rough feel, and the lace was nice and soft, and it can work on like any skin tone. So highly recommend this. This is probably one of my favorite curly wigs that I've worn. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you learned a little 1-2 from this install. Let me know what you guys think. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.